Little boom, boom, zoom, 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 zoom. What's that song? Who she fucked on show? I don't know the name of the song. It was on like the first 3 Fast and Furious movies. What's up, good people? All right. Is everybody okay now? Are we all good? Are we all on the same page? We're cool. We understand that Taj and Edgar like the Chevy SS. We are fans of it. Do we have criticism? Sure. Do we think Chevy could try harder? Yes. But we are fans. We're on the same team. We're on the same team. As a longtime 96 Impala fan, we are on the same team. How you guys doing though? How's your week going? Listen, I know it's been a while since we've been on the channel. Got a little busy at the shop when the rain kind of subsided here in California, but we're back, and we're back with a mod video. So if some of you guys may follow other smaller channels like mine, then you probably have been made aware that recently YouTube has sent us all the small channels a letter basically saying that they're going to demonetize our accounts if we don't meet a certain threshold. There's new thresholds starting for 2018. One being you got to have like 4,000 combined hours of watch time on your channel, which we actually have more than we have probably 2 or 3 times that. But you also have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. We're sitting just shy of 600 subscribers. We have until, let's start that over. We have until February 20th to have 1,000 subscribers. And I gotta tell you, I think it's doable. I think it's possible. I think we can actually achieve 1,000 subscribers in the next 20 days. I want to ask you guys though, y'all have been here since day one. I want to ask you, do you think it's possible? And if so, can you share? Can you tell a friend? Can you help me get this channel to 1,000 subscribers within the next 20 days by February 20th? Let me know in the comments below if you think it's doable, if you think it's worth it. I would love to have your support. I would love to keep the channel monetized. I'm not going to park here. I would love to keep the channel monetized. Obviously, it's not going to change the content that we put out for you. It would be awesome to get our little $30 of you know, YouTube revenue while doing so. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Would love to get your support.
It's not easy. It's
not easy.
It's doable. I mean, pretty much we don't have a choice.
We don't have a choice. We're putting on a new back door. Super exciting. Super exciting, right? Edgar, show the excitement.
I'm just really excited.
Just so exciting. There was a carbon fiber door we ordered and it did not fit at all. It was horrible. And like, it took me 2 weeks, remember, to get them to take the return. Ooh, you know what? Go around the corner. There's a wing. We still got the carbon fiber wing. Here's why we're putting a new door on the toaster. It's because, I'm gonna show you, we got some dents, and you can't see all of them, but there was some body work done on the car, and then there was new dents on the car, and this is all before I bought the car. So I want to put a new door on there because I don't want to repair dents that's already on top of body work. Look at there. Nice. Nice. Is it? Oh yeah, there's holes. So we gotta drill holes somehow.
Really definitely cool. Need some downforce with this car.
Yeah, you know, because let's just be honest, that's 103 horsepower.
That's cool. I like how it's separated.
Yeah, right.
That's pretty cool.
Not the best fitment, but it'll do. It'll do. So this is going to be a Jimmy job. This is a job for Jimmy. We can find out where the holes need to go, right? And then we'll drill holes on this side of the actual deck lid so that we can drill the screws into there. Are you about to do one last detail on the Forgiatos on the Lambo?
Yeah.
Got a little bit of residue that built up. You can't quite see it. But Edgar's gonna do one last detail on that. I am working on the deck lid. What I decided to do was install the wing before putting it on the car and before the glass guy comes to put the glass in. The glass guy is coming in like an hour. I drilled the pilot holes through the other side so that I can then go on that side, drill a 1-inch hole so that I can have an actual hole to put a socket through to drill these in. So I'm gonna install that, do the same thing on that side, and then we'll start the process of taking everything and the wire harness out of the old deck lid. Say hi, Helga. Say hi, Helga. Helga's washing them too. She just snow foamed it. Need to get this car on the channel. It's a pretty dope car. It's on the pilot, but I can't get the screw through here, so I'm going to ream this out. You ready to ream it out? That's not working. I need another reamer. All right, let's see if we can open this sucker up a little bit. It hurt you looking at it.
Watch your hand.
It's not gonna, it's not a bullet.
It's gonna go through your hand.
There we go. All right, let's do the same over here. So what I'm gonna do, I don't think this is a magnetic Phillips bit. I'm gonna lay this down a little bit here so that I'm at least pointing the screw upward.
Yeah.
All right, we got contact. You would know anything about that, Edgar. You would know anything about that. All right, I got the screw through. Now, obviously, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna seal these holes so they don't rust from all the harsh California weather. And then I'm probably gonna apply some double-sided tape. But right now, I'm just trying to make sure it's a good fit. All right, the glass guy's here. So basically, I didn't get this done in time. I wanted to at least put it on the car first before the glass guy got here, but we at least got the wing on. Got it fitted right. Feels good. So now I'm gonna swap the glass.
Wondering, you guys gonna swap it? You're gonna put it on there?
Yeah.
Okay. They got you a brand new one.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Curtis, appreciate you, dude.
No problem.
See you next time.
Right on.
All right, man.
Thank you.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh, yes, it's well. I don't know which way this turns.
Feels like lefty loosey, man.
I know, but it feels like I'm tightening it. Here's the problem. Here's the issue. I can't get these shocks, struts, whatever you want to call them, off of the old one to save my life. I mean, no matter what I try to do, I just can't get these things to break. I'm going to try to put some WD-40 or something on these things to see if I can get them to break, because all they want to do is strip. We had a couple other issues that we actually ended up putting the camera down to record. I mean, to fix, because we both were dealing with it. Now, like I said, here I just got to put some primer or paint there to keep that from rusting. Same with that one there. That's easy to get to, so I'll get to that last. Other than that, it's all right. I think I'm going to get some of that spray foam stuff that hardens, and I'm going to spray it down in here, and down in here to kill some of the hollowness in this. I'm going to have with my audio guy deaden it, take all the interior out and do sound deadening eventually. Not anytime soon, but thinking that would be a good way to just kill some of the hollowness. So as of right now, I am going to finish this, but I don't know if I can get these shocks off. Edgar's play bar and his girlfriend's Scion XB2.
It's not too bad, so I'm just kind of doing it, kind of looking for roughness.
Yeah.
The hood was horrible, but right here, not too bad.
Yeah. Edgar's using a detailer's trick of just using the rest of the snow foam soap, spray a section, play with that instead of using clay lube. Let's all root for Edgar, because we know that if he clay bars this car correctly, we know. Meanwhile, over here, we have the old deck lid. We've got the new deck lid. And if you notice, like, it looks awesome, right? It looks awesome. It's all put on. However, I can't get this off. Maybe someone will comment in the box below. Let me know. Listen, I never claimed to know how to do all this stuff. I just do it and figure it out. Edgar knows even less, right?
Yeah.
But you know what he do know? We know if you clay bar this car right. We know. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna fidget with this thing until I strip the bolts completely, and then, see, here's the thing. I don't want to spend $300 for new struts when these struts work. And that's what I'm just like, So, I'm gonna spray some antifreeze on it, some like WD-40 type stuff. See if it'll penetrate the bolt and come off on a later day. In the meantime, yeah.